OK, today I'm coming across all security conscious with the Simplisafe security system. It says all you got to do is plug it in. No DIY, no drilling, no screwdrivers. So this is the base station. OK, so we'll plug this in. So there you go. Oops, a nice bit of kit, that, actually, isn't it? What's up there? Ooh.
Welcome to Simplisafe. Hold the battery strip on the new keypad and press any button.
Oh, my keypad. There's the keypad. Connecting to base station, that's the keypad. You can get systems that come with cameras, glass break sensors, panic buttons. We're just going to try some motion sensors and some entry sensors today. Connected now. Just peel and press it firmly to the wall for 30 seconds. OK, so here we go. Stick this here like that. So we've got two sensors here and a motion sensor. Let's go and find where to put them. Front door, obvs. Front door. You'd stick it here, I imagine. So, and this one there. Well, I'm going to stick this on the window. I can put this strip on the frame there and put this on the window. So, stick that there. What?
Just the same thing.
What'd you say?
Open the window now.
Oh, yeah, God. There you go. Oh, there you go. So that's working. So, where are we going to set this motion detector? We put this in the hall, wouldn't you? Yeah. Climb on the sofa here. Stick it high in the corner there. Here you go. Press the button.
Motion sensor added.
Motion
Now
sensor
tune in.
added. This is too easy.
It is, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It's really easy.
Yeah.
Entry sensor named.
So that's the front door named. There you go. So that's window set.
Entry sensor named.
I don't know what you're thinking. Where's the app? Everything comes with an app these days, don't worry. It comes with one. And then with the Pro Premium package, it'll give you notifications if your alarm goes off. So we've got a motion sensor, we've got a door sensor, and we've got a window sensor set up. Really quite easy. But how good is it? OK, let's arm the system.
Please exit now.
Got to exit now. Come on, guys. So we've left Ben, our sound man, inside the house. So it says we're away now. So we'll see how accurate this is.
Guys? Guys!
Ah, there it is. There it is. A masked intruder. Look at him. A masked intruder. It's called Simplisafe, and it is simple to set up, and it does feel quite safe. All in all, it's a pretty tidy system.
I mean, that looked reasonably simple to set up. The only thing I don't understand is Ben the sound man, he set off the door alarm, but he didn't set off the motion sensor. Why was that?
That's because I forgot to turn it on.